Hey guys, are you looking for a small, lightweight, but very powerful welding machine that's so small that you can just carry around on your back seat? Well, I got just the answer for you. So I'm talking about the MIG 165 welding machine from Arc Captain. Not only is this great for my flux core jobs that I'm doing on location, like handrails or small trailer repairs, things like that, but it's also a full MIG machine, and it'll also do TIG, and it'll also do stick. So this unit features a convenient side load 2-pound spool. It has a 10-foot long ground clamp with a pretty substantial clamp included. It uses your standard Tweco consumables that are available anywhere. It can run on 120 or 240 with the supplied adapter, and as you can see, Arc Captain did theirs the correct way. On the front, we have a pigtail that you can put on positive or negative depending on your operation. So if you want to do gas MIG on this, Arc Captain has included a very long gas hose ready to plug into your regulator on your tank. If you want to do stick welding, you just plug this in to whether you want your electrode positive or your electrode negative, and you plug your ground clamp to the other one. If you want to do TIG, you will have to supply your own TIG rig and use 100% argon, which you can use this gas hose for. And you can do DC TIG. Not suitable for aluminum, but you can do steel and stainless steel. So I've had this machine about 2 or 3 weeks, and I've really put it through the test. Here's some pictures of some jobs that I recently did. There's some handrails, lots of handrails, which is a majority of what I do, which makes using this machine with flux core that much more important to me. Now overall, I would say that this little machine, as small as it is, as lightweight as it is, it's got a handle and a shoulder strap. That's something that was lacking from my previous flux core machine. And there's been many times, I live in an area where there's lots of lakes, and I've been called to go to these boat docks at these people's houses that have a cover over them. And with the waves and the winds and the storms and stuff, they get cracked up there at the top. So having a flux core machine that's small enough that I can put over my shoulder and climb a ladder to go fix, man, I couldn't ask for a better machine. So check out the Arc Captain MIG 165. You might be surprised at how good this little machine is.